help to feed and make sure that in operation. So in terms of
Yeah. Yeah.
But this is a sugar house. So the sugar, will, as it is coming, it is getting dry.
Yeah.
Then it goes to the elevator. Now goes to the process. The first process is to remove the mud. That is
Sure they are in there. And if we can produce sufficient ethanol in this country, and we combine it with imported petrol and otherwise, then we can be able to lower down the cost of importation and save foreign exchange. I am also sending a message to all sugar millers that going the ethanol way is what the government is going to support. And we are willing to do whatever it takes, give whatever incentives are necessary so that you people can be able to expand. In addition to that, I'm also appealing to the energy sector. I'm appealing to my friend Wandai, CS Wandai, that we really must come together very quickly to start buying the extra power that the sugar mills are producing. For example, in this factory, the directors have just told me that they are capable. They are producing, is it 30? 5 point something megawatts. And they told me they can double that if necessary. They are producing 5.5 megawatts with only 30% of the baggers that they have. So you can imagine if they are producing 5%, if they are producing 30% with 5 megawatts, then if they use all of it, 70%, they're producing something like 15. So when you think about it, this is a fantastic opportunity for us.